Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet. It's a positional trading scanner which I'm just looking for stock options mainly with this scanner. So we have three types of scanners, which is only weekly positional and monthly positional and intraday. So those who are already using our sheet, they know very well how to use the sheet and how to access the sheet is the paid version. If you want to access the sheet, and you can contact me the number shown in this video. And last week we are looking at from 29th of January and 2nd of February. This current week 5th of February to 9th of February. So already we have seen that weekly more than almost 26 stocks which given you some opportunities, and from almost 40% some 10 stocks which given you more than 40%. From this list, some we are avoiding some of the stocks like illiquid ones. So if you are counting that, we seen there is no illiquid stocks at the top. So mostly all the stocks where it is in liquid. So only that about Indian Torrent Pharma may be a liquid. But the main logic to use the sheet to find out a few trade opportunity on weekly basis. The second concept on the same sheet which you are using on a monthly concept. So monthly based opportunity, the strike prices and the entry prices would be updated only once in a month. So recently we have updated the February contract on 1st of February. From 1st of February, we have a BPCL, Namot India, IOC, and Power Grid. Already we discussed on previous videos. So these are all the stocks. For example, BPCL 502. So maybe 502 may not give you opportunity. Those my student, you can try for a 500 or 505 also. But this is what we are selecting the strike price based on our advanced option strategy concept. Okay. So weekly positional and intraday, you know very well about our intraday sheet that works based on our Camarilla R4 breakout, both call side as well as put side. And we have already created a separate scanner for this part to find out a second 15 minutes candle to break the opportunity. Okay, so now we are going to update weekly positional sheet as well as intraday. So monthly would be the same, and there is no update. It will be going to updated only on end of this month only. So it is a one time for a monthly one. Weekly, so every Monday we are updating on that Monday to Friday. The sheet would be new one. So last week also we have a lot of calls and fewer input side. Okay, so here the concept is to use to find out fewer opportunity for a weekly positional. We are using a weekly positional, so you can use Monday, Tuesday. So take a fresh position, and if you are taking a position on Wednesday and Thursday, that maybe you can use it for an intraday purpose or 1 or 2 days holding only. So we are not going to carry forward more than 1 week by using the weekly sheet. Monthly sheet we are using for more than 1 month, sorry, exactly 1 month. So we use 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get a result from that trade and a positional basis. Weekly, so Monday, Tuesday entries, we can hold it for a maximum 3 days up to Friday. So if you are getting an entry opportunity in Friday, so that should be we use as an intraday. An intraday sheet is works based on Camarilla, and it is going to be updated daily basis. Okay, let me check today's scenario. What are the thing which I'm going to change here, and it is automatically updated. I'm going to update the sheet in the live, and you will be seen there is a strike price change, and the premium and everything would be changed. This one will help you to weekly new opportunity based on the concept, at least weekly 1 to 2 trades that would be easily possible with the sheet. So those who are attend and learn about our advanced option strategy, based on that it is working. And if you are directly using our Google Sheet, no problems. You should use whatever the strategy or thing which you can use it. Okay, that you can utilize for your own strategy also. Here in the top listed stocks where it is present in the top, so you can apply those stocks. Now I'm just going to update the sheet for a weekly, then that is going to be changed for weekly basis. That is the strike price and strike price selection, everything I'm going to update you right now. Once that update is done, so the previous weekly report would be not available. So that's why I make a video for a reference purpose. And what is happening here, weekly positional. Okay, I think it is not updated yet. The same which is shown here. So let me wait for this. Weekly, we have to change the update. Let me wait. And daily also, I think it is not updated. Yeah, we should wait for the update. So let me try to change the update for a week of first. Let me try to update the same. So we have to update for the weekly as well as monthly. Sorry, daily. Weekly and daily is going to be updated. Let me try to update that data. And once that updated, the strike price and everything would be changed, and we have to wait for a newer strike prices. Once the strike price and the entry price also automatically calculated. So let me wait for update. Just a moment. Okay, so I'm just going to update the sheet on a real-time basis. Let me wait, and I'm just going to update the weekly and as well as monthly sheet. And you will be finding the newer strike price based on the concept which you are using. And let me wait in the live. So this is going to be for next week. That is one of our second week of February. So 5 to 9 uh, February. So we will be finding out an opportunities and how it is going to be updated, and each and every strike prices should be changed, and the sheet should be a fresh sheet for a second week of February, and also the monthly we don't find out any changes over here. The same which we have already seen, that will be same, and intraday sheet will already updated for a month of the day of Monday tomorrow. And some of the options which is showing you already 100 percentage, so you can easily understood this particular strike prices and this particular stocks is not a liquid one on this particular strike price. Maybe totally the stock also be not a liquid in option trading, but in this case for tomorrow's trading, these are all the stocks which is not going to be a liquid one. So if you are going to see the charts and other things about this, those stocks like Nestle, Delta Corp and Sale, Metropolis, MFSL, and these are all the stock which is already shown. So you can remove the stock or you can avoid the stocks for tomorrow, that is Monday, based on the breakout of Camarilla R4. So it is not liquid. So why? It is already reaching the entry level. So entry level is nothing about when the stock which breaks the 100%, that is what an entry which we are using based on our concept. And if you want to find out the breakout after 9:15, that should be we called as a fresh breakout. So don't want to take a immediately after market open, because after immediately after market open, so we may be facing some gap up and gap down issue. Okay, so that's why after 9:15, so if you find out an opportunity, that would also better for your either intraday as well as positional. And monthly also we are following the same rules, that is going to generate you some good result and some of this time. So overall, the concept for this positional strategy are to take a daily trades and try to find out a trade opportunities on a monthly basis 3 to 5 and weekly basis 2 to 3. That's good enough. Intraday, it depends on your risk ability. You can find out any number of things. But intraday, it works on Cambrel R4, and weekly and monthly, that is works based on my advanced option strategy. So if you want to learn that advanced option strategy also, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number shown here, or you can find out the direct link in my description, and you can get more detail about my courses and other things. Thank you so much. And if you wish to access this Google Sheet, it's a paid version available. So if you want, and you can just ping me on the chat box. It's the 1200 per month. So how to use the Google Sheet content also available. So if you're really interested, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. If you have any other questions, doubts also, just comment in the comment box. Thank you.